All right, this is the room tour of, obviously, 5204, which is a balcony cabin on the Carnival Spirit. Self-opening doors, comes with, a wife. So, as soon as you walk in, turn back around, and we have the where to go if the poop hits the fan map, and where you are. Also got a little peephole, which you don't see much on ships anymore. And normally the room attendant would put their card there. You got your main light switch to turn everything on and off. To your left, you got a full-size hangy closet, if you will. Not slow close. Same here, the secondary one. You can also hang your stuffed animals, but if you don't want that middle bar, you can get rid of that. And then we have the third one, which has all the little shelves. And if you have a lot of hangy clothes, these guys flip up and down. You just got to twist the little lock back there, and it will lock in. But you got plenty of shelves there as well. We also have a full-length mirror, as you can see, that was just pointed out to me. Hey, there's me. So, got a good-sized mirror there, all the way down to the ground. And then we got the not-so-huge bathroom. But it is your typical bathroom. Got the cool colors. I don't know. I kind of like them. Shower is small, to say the least, so I'll put my foot in there just to give you the size comparison. You got your little hair gels and body washes, shower head, and of course you got your little clothesline, which we actually use. I don't know about now because this one's being shot in Alaska, or Seattle right now. And you got storage. You got your little shaver only plug up top, storage here, little shelves there. You got your little fold out mirror, and a little storage down below where they put your spare toilet paper and your garbage can, and of course tissues. Coming up to the middle of the room, you have a nice full-size, well, I don't want to say full-size, but big mirror for your plugs. You got one US, one European, and your on-off switch for the lights again. You got your phone, of course. And then we have the drawer where your little laundry bag is. We have a wife-assisted opening here. So that is, you got two little drawers, then you got two big drawers. Then, of course, they hide the garbage can and your little stool, if you will. Then we have the couch, which normally folds out to a bed. You got your little table, which is pretty cool. And this guy, check on the ships, because each ship is different. This one's adjustable. Mess with that knob there, and you can make it higher or lower. This one did recently come out of a dry dock, so you got the nice little plugs. So you have a USB-C for high speed, a traditional USB. And coming over to the bed, we have more of the upgraded lamps. Same thing. Comes with a USB-C and a USB. And then in back, you have a little 110 socket. And you're thinking, how can I plug anything in there? Just slide it out a little bit. I don't know if this is going to come out. It's upside down. But there's your 110. Not for heating appliances. Put that back. And of course, got a little storage underneath there. And then back around this side, you've got, I'm just going to call it a tablet, but it's a little itty bitty TV. Here is the save, self-opening apparently. A little more storage left and right. And then down here, you got a little mini fridge or cooler, as you would. That's just a vent for there. You got a little bit more storage here with a couple shelves, so plenty of storage, I would say. Then you got your bed, which you can configure to either two twins or a quote-unquote king, which we did. Pro tip, under the bed, put your luggage underneath here, and you don't got to worry about taking up closet space. Haha. All right, going out to, got stuck on the cabinet there.
Oh, but same lamp.
Yep, same lamp, same little bit of storage, and a little balcony. So, this is just, we're in Seattle now. So decent size. Both chairs were on this side, but we did squeeze one over there, which opens up just fine with the door. There's the wife. So that was the balcony cabin on 5204 on the Carnival Spirit. Thanks for watching.